Okay, right, we've got a different video on today. We've got a pre-wash cottons, but make sure you like and subscribe to this channel as well, because we'll be expecting more of this. I'm only doing snippets of this wash because there's not much excitement to it, because it's only half load, but when it is a full load I'll definitely do a full wash cycle for it. So I'm just going to fill it up. Obviously I've put the powder ball in, but obviously that will drain out after 20 minutes or so, and then the main wash, I put powder in the jar as well, so I think the water does go higher on this wash. I've only thrown a few tea towels in because they're very dirty. Oh, you can see all the softness still there from the previous wash, but that'll dissolve. That's fill number 1. It's only censoring half load. I think I've got it on stain level 1 today. At least you can see the drum today.